For this backwards cross stitch, begin with a slip knot and chain multiples of 2 plus 2. For my sample, I'm going to be doing 18 plus 2. Once you have completed your chains, you will do a half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook into that second chain, bring up a loop on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all the loops on your hook. Then we will be continuing the half double crochet in all the chains all the way across this row to get a foundation set up for our backwards cross stitches. Once you get to the end of the row, you'll need to chain 3 and flip your work over. Next, we need to skip the first half double crochet stitch, and then we're going to work in the next one. We'll be double crocheting into that one. Yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to double crochet again, but we're going to go back to the stitch that we skipped. To get this backward stitch look, we want to go behind this double crochet here. So we're going to yarn over and take our hook behind and then bring it back in front to go through the stitch and work our double crochet by yarning over and pulling it up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have now made our first backwards cross stitch. Once again, we need to skip the next stitch and work a regular double crochet stitch into the stitch after the one we just skipped. Then start our double crochet by grabbing the yarn and going behind, and then into the stitch that we skipped and finish our double crochet. We will continue that sequence all the way to the end of the row until we get to our last stitch. I will do one set of these for you now in slow motion, and then you can press pause and I'll meet up with you towards the end of the row. After you've worked the last cross stitch that will fit in this row, to finish it up, all we need to do is make 1 double crochet in the top of our chain from the previous row. Next, we will chain 3 and flip our work over and continue doing the exact same process. We're going to skip this first stitch, do a double crochet in the second stitch, then go back to our skip stitch and working behind the double crochet we've already made and doing a double crochet in the stitch that we skipped. So you can continue on repeating this over and over in as many rows until you get the desired length that you want. To finish your project the same as how you started is really easy. When you get to the end of a row of backwards cross stitches that you want to end on, you will just chain 2, flip over your work, and work half double crochets all the way across. If you're liking these stitch tutorials, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me so I can continue to bring more to you. Have a great day, everyone.